Hello everyone, my name is Chanikya and today I am going to present about loan prediction using artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I have taken internship from Abhias and the table of contents are SOP overview, glossary, safety precautions about the SOP interactive steps, SOP interactive video. I have taken a role of software engineer intern in Abhyas, and my application is loan prediction using machine learning. The glossary definitions of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence involves in the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. And the definition of machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence focused on enabling machines to learn from the data, improving performance on tasks without being explicitly programmed. Another thing about my dataset, a loan prediction using AML involves in teaching computers to learn from the past loan data to decide if someone applying for a loan is likely to pay it back. It looks at things like how reliable they have been with the money before, their income, and how much they want to borrow to help banks decide if they should approve the loan or not. So basically, what it is saying is it take the attributes like whether he has credit card history, his CIBIL score, his land documents, and all other related issues regarding loan. Uh, it will it will take that attributes and analyze them and give it accuracy. Based on the accuracy we can decide whether to approve the loan or reject the loan. And what these the safety measures are: data safety is an important for protecting personal and confidential information from unauthorized access and misuse. Data safety is the protection from data from unauthorized access, use, modifications, or distractions. Data safety ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. Data safety requires policies, procedures, and technical measures to prevent data breaches and losses. To avoid plagiarism, you should always cite your sources properly and use quotation marks or paraphrasing when using someone else's words or ideas. About the SOP. So, the loan prediction projects involve analyzing the past loan data. That means taking a data set from the source open sources like Kaggle and other financial repositories loan data and create model that predicts whether the future applicants are likely to repay their loans or not. So taking that model, based on that model, whether a new person can repay the loan amount or not, it will decide. The tasks include collecting historical loan data, cleaning and pre-processing the data, exploring relationship within it, selecting relevant features, and building a predictive model using machine learning techniques. This project helps financial institutions like banks and other financial sectors like what we have MoneyView and some other like apps like similar kind of apps that makes more informed decisions about loan approvals, ensuring fair and responsible lending. It increases access to credit for reliable borrowers while reducing risk for both lenders and borrowers, contributing to more equitable finance system. SOP interactive steps. So how it works? First, we have to set an environment which is called as Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Before setting an environment, we have to download Python or based upon our own interest. I have chosen Python. You can choose Python or R programming according to your So I have chosen Python as my programming language and Jupyter as an environment. So this will help this both will help for analyzing the data from the data set. Data collection. Obtaining loan dataset from trusted sources page like Kaggle or official financial institution repositories. Kaggle, a platform, hosts various datasets including loan data shared by user companies for analysis. It provides diverse datasets uploaded by the community, financial institutional repositories, official sources from banks and financial organizations offering anonymized loan data for research and analysis purposes. These can be accessed directly from the institution or via partnership with the researchers or data providers. Uh, Data exploration. Load the dataset into data frame and explore its structure, types, and missing values using pandas. Pandas is the one of the main library that is used to load the dataset from our source to data frame. So pandas plays a key role in the analyzing of data using machine learning. And another library called NumPy. NumPy is also used to solve numerical problems using machine learning techniques using Python. Data cleaning. So data cleaning is the process of cleaning the data. That means handling the missing values, identifying the outliers and inconsistencies in the dataset using the appropriate pandas functions. For example, uh, we have uh, we have an inconsistent data, like we have data set that contains some of the missing values, some of the places were missing, some of the places were filled. So that in that missing places, uh, the system takes system may not be predict accurate because of this missing spaces. So we have to fill them with zeros or ones by handling the missing values. Our outliers are similar to that errors. So we can use these functions for fillna or dropna or replace. Fillna function used to fill the entire missing spaces using zeros or ones. Dropna is used to remove the rows or columns from the missing data set. So replace is nothing but it is just replacing the our own intentioned values. Model selection. In that, coming to this, we have uh, different types of models: random forest, logistic regression, naive Bayes, support vector classifier, decision tree, some other similar. Like there are some number of similar kind of algorithms or models in machine learning. We have to choose our model according to our model. For example, I have taken loan prediction. So the loan prediction involves in classification whether he have to we have to approve the loan or reject the loan. This is a classification problem. So I have chosen logistic or a random forest or a can decision tree. These were be suitable for my model selection. Then I can train that data set using training test data, and I can fit that functions so that I can produce accurate output. Model evaluation. Evaluation is nothing but the outcome of the data set. So here I have taken the truth table. This truth table decides true values and false values, true negatives, false positive, true negative, true positive, false positive, and false true. So these were the four values: true negatives, false positives, true negatives, true positives, false negatives, false true positives. So these were four were the confusion matrix. So this confusion matrix determines whether if he is eligible for the loan and he has nothing in his background. So in that time we have to we have to go through the true negatives, whether yes he is eligible, that is true, but his borrow he has nothing in background, like he has no land, so the bank does not trust on him. So that type of prediction is given by true negatives and other things. So similarly, when the borrower based true this confusion matrix is purely based on whether we have to give loan or not, whether if he is eligible, if it doesn't contain required requirements, if he doesn't, and this is the first statement. And the second statement is he contains required documents, but he is not eligible. And he contains, and the third statement is he is eligible, but he is eligible, he has requirements, so he can approve. So like that, we have confusion matrix and confusion accuracies. We can determine that accuracies also. So after that, we'll give a presentation. Presentations like nothing, showing how how much creating comprehensive record detailing each step undertaking during the project, including data collection, processing, model selection, and evaluation. This documentation provides a clear trail of your workflow. Use visualizations to clear explanation to communicate your results effectively to others. This presentation helps share your analysis and conclusions. So this is the video regarding the entire thing, and these are the references links from that.